Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Hey, as we work into those summer months, we know that there's a number of animals that are looking for a home, and that's why we have a Pet Connection. Jasmine Kyle joins us from the SEK Humane Society. Jasmine, we have 3 adorable dogs that we're going to talk about today. Now, the first one I want to talk about is because I'm a sucker for black labs, and I understand you have a beauty by the name of Betty.
Yeah, so Betty is one of my faves. All of the babies are my faves out there, but Betty is so sweet. So Betty is an 8-year-old female black lab mix. We've had Betty for over 1.5 years. There is nothing wrong with this sweet girl, and that's what you'll see, unfortunately, with labs and especially any type of dogs that don't have like significant patterns. She knows how to sit on command, and she knows how to shake, and she is so sweet with kids and other people. Her only restriction is that she just wants to go to a home with no other animals, because when Betty experiences love, she just wants all of it. She is going to be the most loyal dog that anybody will ever have, and she is so friendly and sweet.
Now, Dixon is an interesting one because Great Dane and Greyhound, this has got to be the coolest looking dog known to man.
Yeah, so we have Dixon and we have his brother Mason. So it doesn't look like in the pictures, but he is a big boy. He comes up way over my hip.
Yeah.
I actually just took him to a kids educational program yesterday, and all the kids were like, "Whoa, what is that?" You know, they're at their eye light. You know, they can see. They're looking right into the eyes of a dog. He is a gentle, sweet giant. He's a 2-year-old male Great Dane Greyhound mix. A little bit shy and timid, but once about a minute or two, he is wanting to run by your side, on the floor. He will sit and heel automatically with you, and he is just a sweet love doll.
Dixon honestly sounds like one of those dogs that when you curl up on the couch and he curls up with you, it's just kind of like the dog pillow.
Yes,
yeah.
He absolutely is. His first time in a car ride, with us was yesterday, and he just hopped in the back seat, laid down. I mean, he is truly ready to be a family dog. I mean, it seems like he knows the rules and bounds, and he's ready to go.
Now, one of the dogs that I know nothing about, because I just wanted to pick up with a name right here. You have a dog that's up for adoption by the name of Flutterbug. That's right, folks. Flutterbug. Where'd the name come from, and what kind of dog are we talking about?
Yeah, so we actually have video of Flutterbug. We got her mom, Moki, her brother, Dozer, that we talked about a little while ago.
Oh, yes, I remember Dozer.
Yes, Flutterbug is his sister. She is way small. So when we, these were rescued from Frontenac, and we took them to help them out. The first thing we noticed when she got off the vehicle is that she doesn't walk correctly. It's very heads everywhere, loins are going up. She very much will run like a butterfly. So we were like, all right, let's go with and we had Flutterbug kind of popped into mind. She is very sweet. She is now 1 year old, but she is almost the size of a puppy, like a 6-month-old puppy. We believe she has a neurological hurdle, so she can't really focus on certain things, and she's so sweet is the thing, but she will never grow bigger than that size. She is truly an adult now. Flutterbug is looking for a home with no other animals, and for somebody that can take the time to accept who she is and to work with her.
Flutterbug, kind of the definition of what I would call a comfort animal.
Exactly.
And I promise you, with that description you just gave us, Jasmine, she's going to make somebody very happy. Hey, coming up this Saturday at PetSense, what do you have going on?
Yeah, we have another adoption event at PetSense here in Pittsburgh. We will be there from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. We'll have some fantastic dogs down there, but we'll also probably have some sponsored animals as well. The same thing, meaning that they have no adoption fee. They're just looking for a foster home for a week, and then after a week they're finalized. We're at full capacity. So we're also in desperate need of fosters right now. So if you're interested in fostering with our organization, it's on our website, the top of the page. Takes 2 minutes to fill out.
And so there you have it. Anybody who's interested in Betsy, Dixon, or the now famous Flutterbug, all you have to do is contact Jasmine Kyle at the SEK Humane Society. Run out there to PetSense on Saturday and see what dogs, any pets that are out there. Like Jasmine said, full capacity. Jasmine, thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you, guys.
All right, we'll be back with more KOAM Morning News for you right after this.